My name is Nathan. I'm a business support officer and my general job role is admin duties across children's services. The apprenticeship came about when we had an email come through from our HR team asking if anyone would like to join the apprenticeship. I was quick to jump at it because I've done apprenticeships in the past before. This one, the level 4 that I'm currently doing, is a step up from what I've done previously and I wanted to take on the challenge. So the apprenticeship is going to help me in my career because I'd like to be promoted at some point in my career. I'd like to become a team manager, and by doing this apprenticeship it's going to help me develop my skills and progress to the career that I want. So my Work Based Assessor is Glen, and we meet every few weeks to discuss my progress, and I can't speak any highly of her. She is really, really good. She's very supportive. If I'm struggling in any areas, she'll ask and I'll just be open and honest with her and she'll find a solution for me. She's heavily promoted the Wellbeing Hub. If I've struggled at all, she'll direct me to that area, and there's some good hints and tips about how to look after my mental health. She's a pleasure to talk to. The best thing I find from the apprenticeship is all the new knowledge I've learned. So there was some stuff which I thought I knew, there's some stuff which I thought was interesting, some stuff which is relevant to what I do. Applying it to my job role, I think that's the most important thing. It's that I'm actually learning something from this apprenticeship and applying it to my role. I feel like I'm becoming more confident. It's given me a kind of a new sense of life really that I didn't realise I had. I'd just say, just go for it.